How to hide photo and video in iPhone calculator. In this short video, I'll guide you on how to hide photos and videos in the iPhone calculator. If you've ever wanted to add an extra layer of security to your private media files, this trick is both simple and effective. Many users are unaware that the iPhone calculator app can function as a secret vault for sensitive media, providing a clever way to keep your personal photos and videos hidden from prying eyes. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including tips on how to maximize iPhone security features. Together, we're going to explore how to use an app to turn your calculator into a discreet storage vault for your personal photos and videos. Stay with me until the end to discover how to transfer iPhone media files to external drives. Now, let's get started with how to move photos and videos to hidden on iPhone. To begin, head over to the App Store and download an app called Calculator Plus. As you can see, this app has an icon designed to resemble a standard iPhone calculator app. This calculator will now function as a hidden vault. Once installed, open the app and create a secure passcode by entering your desired PIN followed by the percentage symbol. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue with using the secret calculator app. To hide photos or videos, click the plus icon inside the app. Import your desired media files. Then delete them from your camera roll. This ensures they're only accessible through the app. Now, whenever you want to access these secret files, you can do so by simply entering the passcode on the Calculator Plus keyboards. This hidden feature offers a clever way to keep your media safe. Ordinarily, it looks like a normal calculator, but only you know it's a vault for your private media files. But what if you want to transfer the photos and videos entirely out of the iPhone? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to transfer iPhone photos and videos to external hard drive. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.